Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TECHIES. Today in this video, we are going to see that how can we mute someone in our Instagram account. I'll give you a very easy and a very basic step-by-step process. Once you follow that, you would be able to mute someone who's sending you an unwanted, unnecessary or too much notifications, messages or reels to you on your Instagram account. So let's go ahead and start this video. So once your app is properly downloaded, all you need to do is open your Instagram app. And after that, you will be on the home page of your app. Once you're there, you need to tap on your display picture, which is on the top right side bottom. You will come to your profile page. Once you're over there, you need to select the followers option. Once you will select this option, it will give you the list of all the followers that you have on your Instagram account. Now you need to select the follower that specifically that you want to mute. So you can scroll it down, you can select, let me select just for an example, let me select this account for you. Once you will select that follower, you will come to the profile page of that person. Now you need to tap on the following button. You see the button over there. You need to tap on that. It will open the menu for you. From this menu, you need to select this mute option. Now it will give you another two options. That is, do you want to mute the posts or the stories or the both? So according to your wish, you can select if you want to mute the post and the stories that is coming from this follower. You can select the both. And once you have switched on the buttons, once these buttons are turned into blue, that means your job is done and the person is muted for you. Now that person will send the notifications or the reels or the posts that will not be shown to you. All right. However, guys, that's all for today's video. However, if this video was really helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. And if you want us to make any other video on any other social media platform, if you're facing any kind of technical issue, just let us know that. I really appreciate if you can like this video and follow our channel, press the bell notification and get all latest updates from us. All right. So guys, wish you a very good luck and have a nice day. Goodbye.